Today, I want to say something about my best teacher. So, I have studied at the feet of many good teachers. I have liked and respected them, but the best teacher I have yet come across is Dr. Digant Bergweiser. He is a teacher of English. I regard him as an ideal teacher. He possesses the sterling qualities of head and heart. So the effect of his personality on his students is such that they would treasure his memory all their lives. Every student feels instinctively that the teacher is a loved and respected member of his family. So he feels drawn towards him. So he believes in the principle of simple living and high thinking. He always looks at the bright side of things. He removes their difficulties. There is no room for despair in his life. He is content with what he has. Therefore, he always looks cheerful. So he inspires his peoples with his ideal life. So he not only knows his subject well, but also he has learned and acquired the knowledge of making his teaching and the subject of his teaching interesting. He makes the students really interested in the subject. His exposition of the subject, the development of his argument, and illustrations through thought provoking questions and crystal clear language not only make the students and learn the subject well, but also help them to develop the art of thinking for themselves. His teaching is a tonic in the mind. His love for his subject is directly conveyed the teacher's passion for his subject shared by his pupils. He had activities the minds of his students. So man making is the central function of an ideal teacher. He gives not only knowledge but also culture. He is an engineer to the soul. He enriches our minds and hearts with novel and loving and thoughts. In fact, his teaching, his thoughts, his personality, uh, he is a real gardener of our life. So we have to bud and blossoms because he has watered the seeds of our future with his love and care. So thank you, that's it.